Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on Risha's Kitchenette, I'm going to show you how I make fried dumplings. This is a meal I've always looked forward to as a child and I'm still loving it as an adult. To get started, I'm adding 2 cups of flour to this bowl. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So it's 1 tablespoon of baking powder to a cup of flour. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of salt. I'm using kosher salt. You can choose the salt of your choice. To the mixture, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter for some flavor. Okay guys, at this point you're going to incorporate all the ingredients. What we're looking for is a crumb-like texture. So ensure that the butter is completely dissolved into the flour. And then we're going to form the dough with the milk and water. Making the dough is very simple guys. Just ensure that you add the milk and the water in small increments. You don't want the dough to be too soft or too hard. So you're going to add the water and the milk 1 tip at a time. The dough is coming along very nicely and it's giving me a big fight, as you can see. Guys, if it's too much for you, get reinforcement. I'm going to cover it in the bowl for a few minutes. I've always seen my grandmother do this. Not sure why she did it, but I'm following the trend. If you know why they cover the dough after making it, please share your views in the comments below. Alright, so my dough look a little different. It's more fluffier and I'm ready to make these dumplings. So how I do it is to grab a small portion and use my thumbs to just push through the dough repeatedly until I form a circle. Before I start frying any of them, I'm going to make a few of these until I have the amount I want in the pot. To test the oil if it's ready for frying, I simply add a piece of the dough to see how hot it is. So the oil is ready and I'm going to add these dumplings one at a time. I'm going to add a lid to the pot. This method allows the dumplings to fry quicker. Start frying the dumplings at medium heat and I will gradually change the temperature as I proceed. I want to achieve a golden brown look, so this is my final turn on these dumplings before I take them out of the oil. So they're all finished guys. These are looking exactly like I wanted them. I'm just gonna let them sit on this paper towel for a few minutes and then I shall be having fried dumplings for breakfast today. Thank you so much for watching guys. It was great having you here this week. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'd be notified when I post new videos. And as we say, ciao, bye, walk good, peace.